In today's full-length tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an affiliate marketing website using WordPress. I'll be showing you how to install WordPress, how to design your affiliate marketing website from scratch, how to write blog posts using artificial intelligence, how to embed Amazon product links within those blog posts so that if someone clicks on a link and purchases a product, you receive an affiliate commission from Amazon, and how to do other important things such as creating a logo. So if you've always wanted to start making money online using affiliate marketing, then this is going to be the tutorial for you. This is Elliot with Verpex, and let's get straight into it. So here is the affiliate marketing blog that I will be showing you how to create in today's tutorial. And as you can see, it is a beautifully designed blog, and it will display all of your articles. Now a website visitor can click on one of your articles, and then they can read through your articles, which I will be showing you how to write using ChatGPT's artificial intelligence tool. And within these articles, you can link to multiple different Amazon products. Then if a website visitor clicks on one of these products, it will bring them to the Amazon product. And if somebody purchases this product or any product from Amazon, you will receive an affiliate commission, and that is how you can start making money with your affiliate marketing blog. Now if we scroll up, a user can click on View Blog, and on this page you can display all of your latest posts in a list format. I'll also be showing you how you can design a beautiful header and how you can create a logo for your blog page and also for your homepage. So let's begin this tutorial on creating an affiliate marketing website by getting some hosting to start building your website. In order to start building your affiliate marketing website, the first thing you are going to need to do is get some web hosting. Web hosting basically allows you to have your website live on the internet. So in order to get some hosting, we are going to be using Verpex. Now, Verpex offers 24/7 customer support. They offer free SSL certificates that allow you to get this little padlock in the URL that tell your website visitors that your website is safe and secure. And they also offer a 45-day money-back guarantee. Also, their WordPress hosting packages are very affordable. So I will leave a link in the description to Verpex's WordPress hosting packages, and you will be brought over to this page. Now, from here, you can go and choose your WordPress hosting package. I recommend to go with the bronze package because this allows you to create one website with unlimited bandwidth, which means that if you get a fairly decent amount of visitors to your site, it isn't going to be too slow. However, if you have 10 gigabytes of bandwidth, this is mostly for low traffic websites. So you can go and choose the web hosting package that you want to use. You can also get a free domain, which is really amazing. However, I'm going to go for the silver package. So just choose the package that you want to use and click on Start Now. You can then go and choose your billing term. So whether you want it to be annually, biannually, or triannually, it of course gets cheaper the longer that you choose your billing term for. However, I'm going to go for annually, and then you can go and choose your server location. Now I recommend to choose a server location that is closest to where you think most of your web visitors will be coming from. So I'm going to go for US East. And then we can scroll down and we can go and choose a domain name. Now, when it comes to choosing a domain name for your affiliate marketing website, you can use a site called namelicks.com to generate name ideas. So you can just enter in some keywords related to your affiliate marketing website. So I've just entered in hiking blog and I can click on generate. You can then go and choose the name style. I'm going to go for auto and click on next. And then you can choose the name randomness and then just click on next. Then you can go and enter in some extra keywords if you want to and click on generate. Namelicks will then generate multiple different ideas that you can use for your domain name. So you can go and see if any of these domain names are available, and once you have decided on the domain name you want to use, you can come back to Verpex and just enter in the domain name. It will then go and search the domain name, and you can click on register domain. Then you can click on add to basket. You are then going to go and create an account with Verpex. So just choose new customer, enter in your name, last name, email address, and choose a password, and then just click on create new account. Once you have done this, you just need to enter in your payment details and your billing details. And once you have entered that in, you can just click on place order and pay. It should then say order complete. And now from here, you can click on your account and click on my account. You will then be brought over to your account, and from here you can click on products and services. And then you will see your domain and it will say setup details required. So you can click on this and then you can scroll down and it will say setup required. and you just need to fill out this information to complete the domain name registration. Once you have filled this information out, you can then just click on confirm. It will then say the domain name is awaiting activation and should be ready soon. So now we can click back onto products and services. So after a couple of minutes, up to around half an hour, you can come back to your products and services and you can just refresh the page, and you should now see that your domain name is active. So now we can actually start building your affiliate marketing website. And the first thing that we are going to do is install something called an SSL certificate. And an SSL certificate basically allows you to have this little padlock in the URL that tells visitors to your website that your website is safe and secure. So in order to install an SSL certificate, you are going to find your hosting and you are going to click on this. You can then scroll down and click on Login to Control Panel. From here, you are going to scroll down to where it says Domains and click on this. You are then going to find the domain name that you want to install the SSL certificate on, and where it says Force HTTPS Redirect, you're going to turn this on. It will then say Success. So now we are going to go back to Tools. Again, you are going to scroll down, and this time you are going to go to SSL/TLS. From here, you are going to click on Manage SSL Sites. And when you scroll down, you may see that an SSL certificate is already installed on your site. However, if you don't see this, you can go to Select Domain. You can select the domain that you want to install the SSL certificate on. You can click on Autofill by Domain. And then you can scroll down to the bottom and click on Install Certificate. You will then see SSL Host successfully installed, and you can click on OK. And now your SSL certificate will be installed on your WordPress website. So when you actually go over to your site, you should see the little padlock in the URL. So now that we have installed an SSL certificate, the next thing we are going to do is install WordPress so we can start building our affiliate marketing website. So we are going to go to WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and from here we are going to click on Install, and then from here you are going to choose your domain name. You can scroll down and you will see Admin Account. So you can choose a username and a password, and these are going to be the credentials that you use to log into your WordPress website. So make sure that you remember them, and then we are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Don't worry about selecting a theme for now, and we are going to click on Install. It will then just take a few moments to install WordPress, and then it should say congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So now we can go over to our WordPress website. So we are going to click on this administrative URL. So just click on this, and then you will be brought over to your WordPress dashboard. Now I'm just going to give you a little overview of WordPress, and then we can start building our affiliate marketing website. So firstly, you have home. This is where you'll see lots of updates about WordPress. You have updates, and this is where you will update things related to your actual website, like your version of WordPress or your theme. You will have posts. So when we are creating blog posts, which I will be showing you how to create later on in the tutorial, we will be creating them under posts. We have media. So every time we upload an image or a video to our WordPress website, that will go to our media library. We do have pages, so if you want to create a contact us or about us page, this is where you will be doing this. You have comments, so every time somebody writes a new comment under one of your blog posts, that will come under comments. You have appearance, so this is where you can go and change the theme of your site, which I will be showing you how to do in this tutorial. You have plugins, so a plugin is something that you can install on your WordPress website that allows you to add extra functionality to your site. So I will be showing you how to use multiple different plugins. You have users, so you can set up multiple different users if you want to, if you have different people working on your website. You have tools where you can import and export data. We won't really be using that in this tutorial. And then you have settings where you can go and update different things, which I will be showing you in this tutorial. So now that I have given you an overview of WordPress, the first thing we are going to do is install a theme to start building our affiliate marketing website. So if we click to go to the front end of our website, we can see the current theme is pretty plain. So we're going to go back to the back end, and we are now going to install a theme that will allow us to install pre-made templates so we can speed up the process of building our affiliate marketing website. So we are going to go to Appearance and click on Themes. From here, we are going to click on Add New, and then we are going to search for a theme, and we are going to search for Astra. and we're going to find this theme here, and we are going to click on install. Once the theme has been installed, we are going to click on activate. Now that we have activated that theme, we can go back to the front end of our website, and as we can see, it's still pretty plain. But the really great thing about the Astra theme is that you can install pre-made templates. So we're going to go back to the back end, and now we are going to install a plugin that will allow us to install those starter templates. So we're going to go to plugins and click on add new. From here, we are going to go to search plugins, and we are going to type in starter templates. And we are going to find this plugin here, and we are going to click on install now. Once you install the plugin, you should come to a page that looks like this. If you don't see this page, I'm just going to go back. You can come to your WordPress dashboard, you can come to plugins, and then you can click on C library. So now from here, we are going to scroll down and click on build your website now. We are then going to choose a page builder. So a page builder allows us to drag and drop elements and easily create pages. So we're going to go for Elementor. Now from here, you will see multiple different starter templates that you can install to start creating your affiliate marketing website. Now some of them are premium, which means you have to pay, so I recommend to just go with the free versions. Now I'm going to go for this outdoor adventurer one, but you can pick whichever one you want because they are easily editable. So we're just going to click on this, and it will say upload a logo. We are just going to skip this for now. I'll be showing you how to create a logo later on in the tutorial. So we're just going to click on skip and continue. You can then choose a color scheme for your site. So I'm just going to go with this yellow color scheme, and then you can go and choose the fonts. I'm just going to go for the default Montserrat font, and then you can click on continue. You can then just fill out this information, and then we are going to scroll down and click on submit and build my website. It will then just take a few minutes to import the starter templates, so just give this a few moments. It will then say congratulations, your website is ready. So now we can click on view your website. So now we can see that we have imported this website, and we can start building our affiliate marketing blog. Now you will notice that it has imported some pages that we don't actually need. So if we click on services, we do have this services page. If we click on projects, we have this projects page. Now we don't really need this. All we need is the about us and the contact, and we can get rid of all of this. So we're going to go back to the back end of our WordPress dashboard, and we are going to go to pages. And we can actually delete any of the pages that we don't need. So we are going to delete the projects, the sample page, and the services. So we're just going to tick these. We are going to go to bulk actions and move to trash. And then we are going to click apply. So now we can actually go to trash, and we can delete these pages permanently so they don't take up space on our website. So again, we can tick these pages, go to bulk actions, choose delete permanently, and click on apply. The next thing that we will do is delete any unnecessary plugins that we don't need. So we're going to go to plugins, and we can delete this first one, Aximet Anti-Spam. So just hit delete and click on OK. And we can also delete this Hello Dolly. So just hit delete and hit OK. So now that we have deleted those pages, we can go back to the front end of our website. And now from here, we can see that we have an amazing home page. Now, if we scroll down, we can see that there are some things that we don't really need. When it comes to the home page for your affiliate marketing website, all we're going to have is this hero section, and where it says learn more, we are going to direct people to our blog posts. And then underneath, we are going to have our most recent blog posts. And then we are going to delete everything else. The home page is going to be pretty much blank. But the first thing we are going to do is start off by actually writing some affiliate marketing blog posts. So we are going to go back to our WordPress dashboard, and we are going to start off by writing our first blog post. So we are going to go to posts. Now we are going to delete this first post. So we're just going to hit trash, and then we can go into the trash, and we can just delete this permanently. So now we are ready to write our first affiliate marketing blog post. So we are going to click on add new. Now we are just going to leave WordPress here for now. And for the next part of the tutorial, I want to show you how you can generate hundreds of blog post ideas and write blog posts completely automated using a tool called ChatGPT. I'm sure you have heard of it, and it is an artificial intelligence tool that will allow you to write really amazing affiliate marketing blog posts. So I will leave a link in the description to ChatGPT. However, you can just head over to Google and type in ChatGPT, and from here you are going to click on sign up. All you then need to do is create an account by entering in your email address and choosing a password. Now I already have a ChatGPT account, so I'm going to click on login. Once you are logged into ChatGPT, From here, we can start generating some blog post ideas for our affiliate marketing website. Now, when it comes to writing blog posts for your affiliate marketing website, you're going to want to pick a niche. And a niche is basically a particular subject or topic that all of your blog posts are going to be about. So I'll leave a link in the description to this hand-curated list of 140 best niches for affiliate marketing. And there are so many different niches that you can pick to create your affiliate marketing website around. So I recommend just to take a look at this list and you can go and pick one. But the main thing I would keep in mind is to pick a niche that you have some level of knowledge of, so that when ChatGPT is writing the blog posts for you, you can at least read through them and check that they are factually correct. So you can have a look at this list. As you can see, we've got golf, home security, travel, gaming, home decor. So there are so many different niches that you can choose. Now for the tutorial, I'm going to be choosing hiking. So we're going to be creating all of the affiliate marketing blog posts around hiking. So once you have chosen your niche, you can head back to ChatGPT and we are going to give ChatGPT a prompt. So where it says send message, you are going to type this in. Generate 10 Amazon affiliate blog post ideas for then you can put in the word of your niche. So I've got hiking WordPress blog and we're going to hit go. ChatGPT will then come up with a list of Amazon affiliate marketing blog post ideas that you can write, and you can embed your Amazon affiliate marketing links to different products in. So just go and choose one of these ideas. And now again, we are going to go to new chat. From here, we are going to give ChatGPT a new prompt. So we're going to come into send message and you are going to write this. Write a blog post for, and then you're going to choose one of those blog post ideas. So I've gone for the 10 best hiking boots for women on Amazon for comfort and durability. And then you're going to say with links to Amazon products, which is at least 1,000 words. So you want your blog post to be at least 1,000 words. Sometimes ChatGPT can cut it a little bit short. So even if it's 800, it still should be okay. And then you are going to hit go. ChatGPT will then write a complete blog post for you, and it should go and reference different Amazon products that we can embed our Amazon affiliate links later on, so that we can go and link to those products, and if somebody purchases the product, we can get an Amazon affiliate commission. Now sometimes ChatGPT does cut its prompts off short, so you can see I've gone for the top 10 and it's only gone up to the top 6, but that's totally fine. We can still use this as a blog post. Now the next thing you are going to want to do is you are going to want to double check that all of the products in the blog post are real Amazon products. So you can just go and copy one of the names that it has generated. We can head over to Google and we can just paste this in. And then we can scroll down and we can see if we can find an Amazon link to it. So as you can see, there is an Amazon link to this product. So we know that this is a real product. So just make sure that you do that for all of these different products that ChatGPT has referenced. So we'll go for this one. So if we scroll down, we can see this one is also on Amazon here. So that is perfect. So we can come back now and we'll just do it for this last one as well. So we can just go and paste this in here. And we can see that this is also an Amazon product. So that is great. Like I say, make sure that you go and do this for all of the different products that it has referenced. So now what we can do is we can go and copy our blog post. So let's go and copy all of this, and we can head back to our WordPress dashboard. And where it says type to choose a block, we are just going to paste in our blog post. Now we can head back to ChatGPT, and I am just going to copy the title, 10 best hiking boots for women on Amazon for comfort and durability. We're going to come back here and I am just going to go and put in the top 6 best hiking boots for women on Amazon for comfort and durability. So now we are going to go and click on preview. We're going to choose desktop and click on preview in a new tab. So as we can see, this is currently what our blog post is looking like. So we can make it look a little bit more interesting. So we are going to close this, and now we can go and add some images. So if we scroll down, firstly, we can add a category. So what we can do is we can come to categories and we can click on add new category, and we can add a category name. So for the category name, I've just gone for women's hiking, and I can click on add new category. So now where we've got uncategorized, we can untick this, and now we can close categories, and now we can go to featured image. and we can select a featured image. Now, when it comes to choosing a featured image for your blog post, you can use another website called unsplash.com that has copyright-free images that you can use for your affiliate marketing website. So you can just go and search for an image related to your blog post. So I'm just going to search for women hiking, and then we can just hit enter. Then we can go for orientation, and you can go for landscape. And then we can go and see multiple different images that we can use for our featured image. So I think I'm just going to go for this one here. So we can click on download. And once you have downloaded that image, we can head back to our WordPress blog post. We can click on set featured image, select a file, and then you can go and find that image that you downloaded. Now what I recommend to do is to right click on the image, and then you can go to rename, and just to rename it as the same name as your blog post, because this will help with SEO. So now we can go and choose the image, and we can click on open. So now that we have chosen that featured image, we can click on set featured image. And now if we click on preview, and we click on preview in a new tab, and as we can see, we have our category women's hiking, and then we have our featured image. So the next thing we're going to want to do, we are going to want to link to the Amazon affiliate products, so that if somebody clicks on one of these and they purchase a product, then we get an Amazon affiliate commission. So what you are going to want to do is you are going to want to just head over to Google and just type in Amazon affiliate program. Now it's going to depend on what country you're in. So you can see for me, I'm in the United Kingdom. So you will come over to a site that looks like this, affiliateprogram.amazon.com or whatever country you're in, and it will say Amazon Associates. So from here, we are going to click on sign up. You will then need to create an Amazon account. So just enter in your details and click on create your Amazon account. You will then need to verify your email address. So Amazon will send you a code. So you are going to enter this code in here and click on create your Amazon account. You will then just need to enter in some details to create your Amazon affiliate account. So it will be your name, address, and phone number, and then you can click on next. You will then be asked to enter in your website. So just enter in the name of your website and click on add, and then click on next. You will then be asked to create your profile. So just choose an Amazon Associates ID, which is basically your username. You will then just need to write a sentence. So you can just go and say, I create written blog posts related to your niche. You can go and choose a blog, choose online search, and then just enter in the character from the images above, and you can click on finish. It will then say congrats, and you are basically part of the Amazon affiliate program now. So now you can scroll down and it will say enter your payment and tax information. So you can click on now, and then you can choose your payment method. So I'm going to go pay me by direct deposit. You can go and choose your bank location. So I'm going to go for the United Kingdom, and then you can go and enter in your banking details and just click on submit. Once you have entered in your banking details, it just means anytime somebody purchases a product through one of your Amazon affiliate links, you can get paid. So now let's have a look at how to actually get our Amazon affiliate links and embed them into our blog posts. So we are going to click back on the Amazon Associates logo. Now from here, we're going to go to product linking, and we are going to go to product links. Now from here, we can find one of the products that we want to link to. So I'm going to link to this product here, Merrell Women's Moab 2. So I'm actually just going to copy the link in the URL, head back to Amazon Associates, go to link to any page, enter in that URL, then it will say name your link. So when it comes to naming your link, I recommend to just name it the name of the product, and then I'm going to go and click on get HTML. An affiliate link to the product will then be generated. So where it says preview, you can click on this preview and you will be brought over to the product. We can then go and copy the link. So we can come to the top and we can just click on this and we can copy this. We can then head back to our blog post and we can find the name of the product that we want to link it to. So I'm going to find this heading here. I'm going to double click this. I can click on link, and then I'm going to click on open in a new tab, and I'm going to paste that link in, and then I'm going to click on press enter to add this link. We can then click on update, or it might say publish for you. So just click on this. And now that we have saved that, we can click on preview in a new tab, and now we will see our blog post. So we can scroll down and we will see that we've got the link to the product. Now if somebody clicks on this, it brings them over to the Amazon product. And if somebody purchases this, you will receive your Amazon affiliate commission. So now you're just going to want to repeat that process for every product that is mentioned in your blog post. So now that you have done that, and like I say, make sure that you just add all of the links to each Amazon product, you're basically just going to want to repeat this process and create multiple different blog posts based on the ChatGPT prompts. So you can come back in here and you can create blog posts based on all of these, and you can get them to write them for you, just following the same process that I've already outlined. So now that I've shown you how to actually generate blog post ideas, write them, and link your Amazon affiliate links, the next thing I want to show you is how you can format the links to your blog posts. So you'll see the links right now are extremely long. So we're going to go back to our WordPress dashboard. From here, you are going to go to settings and you are going to go to permalinks. So right now you will see the permalink is on day and name. So it's going to come out in this format, which is making it look super long. So we are going to change this to post name, and then we can scroll down and click on save changes. So now if we go back to one of our posts, and if we actually have a look at this post and click on view, and now we can see that in the URL, it is just the name of our post, which looks so much better. So now that I've shown you that, the next thing I want to show you is how you can start editing your homepage and how you can edit things such as the menu and the logo. So we are going to click back to our homepage. Now in order to edit your homepage, this time we are going to click on Edit with Elementor. Now Elementor is a very simple drag and drop editor to use, and it makes things super easy. So for example, if you wanted to change this text, you can just click on it and you can just rewrite anything you want to. So I could just write in the ultimate blog for hikers. Then where it says learn more, again we can click on this and you can go and write in something like view blogs. So now that we have done that, you can go and delete any of these things you want to. So if you wanted to delete this text here, you can just right click on the pencil icon and click on delete. If you wanted to change the background image, you can actually click on these three dots to edit the whole section. And then you can go to style and you will see the image here. So mine is a hiking blog, so I'm going to leave it the same. But if you just click on choose image, you can go and upload an image that you want to use. So you could go to upload file, select a file, and upload a different background image. So now we are going to scroll down, and we are actually just going to delete all of these because we just want to have one simple section that links to all of our blog posts. So we are just going to get rid of this. We will keep this here for now. We will go and update the text and we will go and change this area to link to our blog posts. However, we are going to get rid of all of the rest of these areas. So we're just going to leave it blank like this. And now we can simply click on update. Now in order to link to our blog posts here, we are going to have to install another plugin. So we are going to click on these three lines and click on exit. From here, we are going to click on the WordPress icon, and then we are going to go to plugins and click on add new. Now from here, we are going to go to search plugins and we're going to type in unlimited elements. And you will see this unlimited elements for Elementor. So we're going to hit install. You are then going to click on activate. You can then just click on skip for this part. Now from here, you will see multiple different widgets, and we're going to use one of these widgets to display all of the blog posts on our homepage. So we're going to go to post widgets, and we are going to find this widget here called post blocks and click on install. So now that we have installed that, we can go to our homepage and we can click on edit with Elementor. And now if we scroll down where we have upcoming events, you can go and change this. So we're just going to go and put in latest articles, and you can go and display it where you want to. So you could go for the left. Same with this divider, you could go and display it to the left. And now what we can do is we can click on this little grid icon and we can type in post blocks, and we will see post blocks, and we can just go and drag this underneath here like this. And now we can see we have all of our blog posts that we have written and they are being displayed. And now we can just go and delete this area here. Now you can go and you can edit this as well if you want to. So you can come into style, and from here you can go and edit multiple things. So for example, if we go to the button, we can go and change the button background color. So I could go and change it to the yellow color that matches the rest of my site. And I could go and change the button text color to black like this. I can also go and change the button radius. So I could go and make this 10, for example, to make the buttons round like this. And now if somebody hovers, you can see that the button also changes color. You can also go for the typography. So if we click on this, we can go for the font family, and you can go and choose the same font family that you're using on the rest of your site. So I'm going to go for Montserrat. The same with this area here. So if I click on this, we can scroll up, and where we see text, I can go to typography, and I can go and change this to Montserrat. So I'm going to choose Montserrat, and then I'm going to do the same with the title. So we'll come into title, we will see title typography, we'll go to family, and I will go and choose Montserrat like this. So now everything is matching the rest of my site. So now that we have displayed those latest articles, what we also want to do is we want to create a page that has all of our blog posts on as well. So if somebody clicks on view blogs, it brings them to that page. So we are going to click on update, and now we are going to click on the 3 lines, and we're going to click on exit. Now we are going to click on the WordPress icon, and we are going to create a new page. So just go to pages, and we are going to click on add new, and we are just going to call this page blog, and we will just go and hit publish, and then we're going to hit publish again. So now that we have created that page, we are going to click on edit with Elementor. Now what we are going to do is we are going to right click our logo, and we're going to click on open in a new tab. And then we're going to come over to our home page, and again we're going to click on edit with Elementor. So now what we can do is we can actually copy this section, and we're going to add it to our blog page. So we're going to right click on these dots where it says edit section, and we're going to click on copy. We're going to head back to our blog page, right click on the plus button, and hit paste. So now we have this section in here, but we just want to make it a little bit smaller for our blog page. So we're firstly going to delete the button. So we're going to right click on the pencil and hit delete. We will also go and delete this smaller heading. So we're going to right click on this and hit delete. Now from here, we're going to make this section a little bit smaller because right now it's quite large. So we can click on edit section. And what we can actually do is we can go and change this to full width. Then we can go to minimum height, and we can go and make this a lot smaller like this. Then we can go and click on the text. We can go to style. We can go to typography, and we can actually make this smaller as well. So we're going to make it around 40 pixels, and we're just going to change this to latest posts. So now we can see this section is slightly smaller. As a matter of fact, we can change the typography. We can make it a little bit bigger. We'll make it around 50. Then we can also go and change the background image. So we're going to click on this edit section. We'll go to style. We are going to click on choose image. And then I'm just going to go and choose this image here and click on select. So now we can see that this section is slightly smaller. So now what we want to do next is we want to go and add in our blog posts, but we're going to add them in a different style to our homepage. So we're going to hit update, and then we are going to click on the 3 lines and click on exit. And then we are going to click on the WordPress icon. And now we are going to go to unlimited elements again and click on widgets. And you are going to click on post widgets again. And this time you're going to find post list and click on install. Now that we've installed that widget, we can go to pages and click on all pages. And then we can go to blog and click on edit with Elementor. So now we can scroll down. We can click on the plus button. We can add in a single section in here. And then we're going to go and click on this little grid icon. And this time we are going to type in post, and we're going to go for post list, and we're going to drag this in here. So now this page will display all of our posts in a list format. Again, you can reformat this. So we could go for a list gap. So I'm going to go for a list gap of 40. You can also go and change the layout. So you could go for a column like this. I'm just going to leave it as a row. You can then scroll down and you can go to layout, and you can click on show button if you want to. You can also go to style, and you can go and add some radius to this to make it round like this if you want to. I'm just going to leave it square as it was. And then we can go to content. You can go and realign the text. You can come into image, and you can make the image width and height bigger if you want to. So now we can see our blog page is pretty much complete, and people can click on read more to have a look at any of our blogs. Now the last thing we are just going to add is something called a spacer. So we're going to click on back on this grid. We are going to type in spacer, and we are just going to drag this in here just to add a little bit of space between the image and the blog posts. So now we can click on update, and again we can type in spacer, and this time we can go and drag the spacer underneath, and then we can hit update, and then we can click on the 3 lines and click on view page again. So now if we scroll down, we can see we have some space at the bottom of our blog posts. Now of course, the more blog posts you write, the longer this page will get, so it will start to look more full. I've only got 3 blog posts on my blog at the moment, so it looks a little bit bare at the moment. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to link our blog page from our homepage. So we are going to copy this link. We are going to click on our logo to go back to our homepage, and then we are going to click on Edit with Elementor. And with the button that says View Blog, we can click on this. I'm just going to change it to View Blog, and then we can go and paste that link to our blog page and click on Update. So now that we have done that, we can go and view the page again. And this time where it says Take Action, I'm also going to add a link that says View Blog on this button as well. So in order to do this, we are going to click on Customize. From here, we are going to go to Header Builder, and we will see this button. We're going to click on the button, and where it says Take Action, we are going to go and type in View Blog, and then we can go and paste the link to our blog page again and hit Publish. Now we can click X on this, and if somebody clicks on View Blog, we can see that they are brought to our blog, and if they click on Read More, they will be brought over to one of our blog posts. Now the next thing I want to show you how to do is how to upload your own logo and also how to edit your header, because right now we can see the About and Contact Us page aren't really visible. So in order to do this, we are going to go back to our homepage. Now from the homepage, you are going to click on Customize. We are then going to go to Header Builder, and we are going to go down to Transparent Header. And the transparent header is the header on the homepage. So the first thing we are going to do is upload a logo. Now, in order to create a logo for your affiliate marketing website, you can head over to canva.com, create a Canva account, and then you are going to go to custom size, and you're going to go for 265 by 90 pixels. Now, you can easily create a logo by going to text, click on add a heading, and then you can go and add in the name of your website. So we're going to go for Pathway Pulse, and then you can go and change the size if you want to. So let's go for 24, maybe not that big. Let's go for 20 pixels, and we can just go and drag it to the center. So now that we have done that, you can also go and add an icon. So if you go to Elements, you can go and type in a word related to your affiliate marketing website. So we're going to go for hiking, and then you can click on See All under Graphics, and you can go and choose an icon that is related to your niche. So I'm going to go for this icon here. Now we are just going to go and drag this to the end like this. And then we are just going to get both of these and just make sure that they're both center aligned. Now, because this is going to be on the transparent header, we are going to make both of these white. And I'm just going to quickly go and change this to Montserrat bold like this. So we'll just make this a little bit smaller. Let's just realign it so that both of them are in the center. So like I said, we are going to change this to white. So we can go to text color and just change this to white. And we can also go and do the same for the icon. So now what we are going to do is we are just going to add a background color. So we're just going to go for the square shape, and we will just go and drag this across the whole of our canvas like this. We are going to make this black, and then what we can do is we can right click, we can go to layer, and we can click on send to back. So now we'll see our logo like this. And what we are going to do is we are going to remove the background. So we are going to go to share, and we are going to go to download and click on download as a PNG. Once you have downloaded that image, you can head to a website called remove.bg to remove the background. So we're going to go to upload image, then we are going to choose our logo and click on open. And now we can see that the background has been removed, and we can click on download. Now that we have downloaded our logo, we can go back to our website, and where we have the logo, we can click on this, and then we can go to upload files, select a file, and we can choose our logo with the background removed and click on open. We can now click on choose image, and you will now see your logo in the header. You can go and change the logo size. So if we go to logo width, we can make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to make it around 250. So we're just going to come in here and type in 250. Now where it says retina logo, you are going to want to replace this as well. So I'm just going to choose my logo and click on choose image. So our transparent header is looking good. So we are going to leave it like that. And now we are going to go back and we are going to go to our normal header. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on view blog. And this time we are going to upload a darker version of our logo. So we're going to go to site title and logo. And now we're going to head back to Canva. And we are just going to swap the colors around. So we can choose our background and we can change this to white. Then we can choose our text and we can change this to black, and we can choose our icon and we can also change this to black, and then we can go and download this again. So we'll go to download and click on download. Now that we have downloaded this, we can go back to remove.bg. If we scroll up, we can click on upload image. We can go and choose that image and click on open. And now we can download this image. And now we can head back to our website, click on our logo, click on upload file, select a file, and we can choose the darker version of our logo and click on open. Again, we will click select and we will click on crop image, and then we will go and replace the retina logo. So we'll just choose the same logo and click on choose image. And then I am going to scroll down and I'm just going to change the logo width again to 250 like this. So now that we have done that, we can scroll back up and click back. And now we are going to click on the design. And now we are going to click on primary menu, and we can go to design, and we can scroll down until we see the colors. So where we have text link, we're actually going to go and click on this color. I am just going to copy the hex code. Then I'm going to go to the white color and I'm just going to paste this in here. So now we can actually go and see those. You can also go and change it to another color if you want to. So I could go and change it to black, and that way it makes it stand out and it's much easier to read. So now that we have reformatted our header, we can click on publish, and then we can go and close this customize area. So now we can see we have our transparent header with our transparent logo. And if somebody clicks on view blog, and then they come over to this version of the header with the darker version of the logo, and they can go and read all of the different pages. So let's now go back to our home page. Now, the last thing I want to mention to conclude this tutorial is once you have posted around 10 blogs to your affiliate marketing website, you are going to want to head over to something called the Google Search Console. So just go to Google and type in Google Search Console and click on the first link, and you will come to this website. And all you need to do is click on Start Now, and it will take you through the steps that you need to submit your website to Google, and this will help your website to start showing in the Google search results. Now, I'm not going to take you through this process because it is very simple to do, but it is something that you definitely need to do once you have posted around 10 blog posts, because like I say, then your blog posts can start getting ranked in Google. People can find them, then they will be able to read your blog posts, click on your affiliate links, and if they purchase something from Amazon, then you will receive an affiliate commission, and that is how you can start making money with your affiliate marketing blog. So like I say, make sure that you submit your website to the Google Search Console. It is a very simple process to go through. Just click on Start Now and Google will take you through all of the steps. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you have, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more WordPress related content, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.